favorite aspect of the laundromat business? If you can choose?
The best part for me, honestly, is just the freedom it provides me, and it's not that
Mm,
like I work a lot and I work 7 days a week, but I'm not working, sunlight to, I'm not working all day. So I can kind of
mhm.
normally, although it's been really tough to schedule me lately, like normally my life is pretty easy to schedule around, and I'm like, well, I'll fix
Right.
those couple machines later, or I'll go, I try to stop in and talk to staff pretty often, and
Mhm.
I gotta buy supplies and stuff, but
Yeah.
but those are things that I can schedule and I can do. So
Mhm.
if I need to schedule a meeting or go out to dinner with my wife or out to lunch with my mom, or those things are pretty easy for me to do, and
Mhm.
that's kind of the freedom that this industry can provide. So that's been really rewarding for me, and to be at this point in my life where I can do other things, um knowing right now that I have these businesses out there running, and
Mhm.
at the moment the phone's not ringing, so that's great. So um yeah, so it's been great being
Yeah.
able to kind of schedule my work around my actual life is has been really good for me. So
Yeah. Yeah. Fitting everything in, around the business, absolutely.